Hello, lovely viewers. Today we're gonna speak about machines and humans. So, human versus AI intelligence and 5 ways you'll always beat machines. Hello, my last video gave you 5 EQ hacks. Today called hard data that proves your human brain is still the ultimate super tool, no matter how big the AI gets. Let's roll. So, your brain has 86 billion neurons, more connections than stars in the Milky Way. It runs on the power of a dim light bulb. AI is a single GPT-4 inference burns 200 watts, 10 times more than your entire head. That's power efficiently for people. Next, one dog is more than 100 breeds. 10,000 images is 95% accuracy. And a toddler sees one dog and generalizes to every breed on Earth. Top Vision AI needs 10,000 labeled photos to hit 95% of breeds on Earth. That's one-shot learning is your superpower. Next one. By age 4, you read micro-expressions and guess intent. AI simulates empathy from Reddit threads. It mimics your feel. That's theory of mind. Next one. Velcro. A guy saw burrs on his dog, mixed it with zippers, boom! AI recombines existing data. You invent from 0 examples. That's true creativity, which AI doesn't have. You can walk into a room and feel the vibe which is going on there. Without any data, without any prompt, AI needs a rule book. You have moral intuition, untrainable and uncodable. So technically our brain is more powerful than any AI. You can use it, you can train it, you can trust it. And the trust is that AI will never outgrow us. It will only amplify our abilities. So train your one-shot learning, trust your gut, feel the room, because the future doesn't belong to machines, it belongs to humans who master both brains. Pick one superpower from today and flex it this week. Comment which one, I'll repost the best. Subscribe if you are Team Human. We are Team Human. See you next time. Short video about AI and humans. Thank you.